I was wondering if I could connect a third screen to the second output. As I don't have virtual, I do need the real screen output. This Ryzen 5 notebook has a hybrid graphics. It's NVIDIA 1660 and AMD Renoir graphics. With Ubuntu 20.10, it did not work. With OpenSUSE Tumbleweed, which is running now, it works quite well. But there's a trick with it. I do have, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 screens. And the third screen is actually a second HDMI cable connected to the Thunderbolt port to the same monitor. That way, the system thinks there is also a monitor attached, which is actually the same one. But that way, I can tap into the VNC connection, which I did here. So at the moment it's disconnected, so I need again start that script that I used before. So again, we start it, then we tap in again into the VNC server, and there we are. But unfortunately, it is very slow. I don't understand why. If it's because of the Thunderbolt connection that it slows down the system, I have to look into this. But as proof of concept, it is working that way, connecting 2 monitor cables to the same monitor, which you usually can, and use this as a virtual mirrored output. So but in this slow reaction time, it's sometimes it's fast and usable, and then again it becomes very slow. I don't know why. Even if I connect this cases card, start cases card, the VNC server actually crashes, which I find very confusing. But as proof of concept, you can use hybrid graphics and Android tablet connected via USB as a third screen in this case. So we do have 3 screens, but the speed is still an issue.